because we are doing in Hightex in the newest hall, which has been inaugurated in the last month only, which is almost 80,000 square feet. So we have almost 180 participants who are coming from pan-India level. It is not just limited to Hyderabad, Telangana, Andhra. We have participants coming from Chandigarh, Pune, Delhi, Kolkata, massive. This scale and size has not happened in, at least in the South India level before. So you can see the brands from different, as I said, from different places they are coming. So all together and getting in one place is a big task, which has not been possible earlier before. So and apart from that, the product launches, what they have lined up, different brands are planning to launch the new products in the 3 days exhibition. Something related to a sustainable future, green products, which is going to conserve our energy. Thank you so much. Thanks for coming.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure to have you all.
So this year, the 5th edition of SETA Electric Expo. This is happening again after a gap of 2 years. So what is new this year is, it is 3x the size of the earlier expo, 3x the number of visitors what we are expecting from last year, 3x the number of exhibitors what we have, 3x the number of sponsors what we have got on board this time. So the idea of connecting so many dots and getting to a central location in the southern part of India, or I would say a central southern part of India, this is a very attractive destination to do electrical business or any other business. It gives you good opportunity to do your warehousing. It gives you a good access gateway to enter the south. You want to go to anywhere in the south, be it Chennai, be it Bangalore, or be it Trivandrum as well. Hyderabad is an access wherein you get a gateway to enter all these kind of markets. I would like to thank, heartfelt thank to all our sponsors, especially to Polycab, who's come in the second time in a row. Also, a very thank you to all my committee members who have put in and day out efforts to make this a grand success. Would require all your cooperation to make it a grander scale this time.
I am एक्सपो चेयरमैन का चेयरमैन हूँ मैं, और ये हमारा अभी तक का इतने 33 इयर्स में अभी तक का सबसे हाईएस्ट बिगेस्ट एंड वाइब्रेंट इस बार होने जा रहा है, जो कि आज तक साउथ इंडिया में कभी भी नहीं हुआ. कोई एक पर्सनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन करना इतना बड़ा एग्जीबिशन, इट्स नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल. बट इन द लीडरशिप ऑफ आवर प्रेसिडेंट सुरेश जैन, उनके छत्र छाया में ये जो एग्जीबिशन होने जा रहा है वो वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट एग्जीबिशन साउथ इंडिया का है. मैं रियली सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप लोग भले एक का नहीं आ सको, लेकिन एक दिन 29, 30 एंड 31 3 दिन में से कोई भी एक दिन अपना समय निकाल के ज़रूर आइएगा. आप देखिए क्या डिफरेंस है. जो यहाँ का अभी नया हॉल है, हॉल नंबर 4 हाईटेक्स का, उसमें ये एग्जीबिशन होने जा रहा है. तो वंस अगेन आई रिक्वेस्टिंग यू, please visit, don't miss it. Thank you.
To collaborate with Secunderabad Electrical Trade Associations. They are the leading association in the electrical sector in Secunderabad region. We are the hospitality partner for this 5th edition of SETA Electric Expo, and it's a pleasure to collaborate with them.
Yeah, it was a great learning for us to meet so many people from the electrical market association, and it is a great exchange of big business and a huge network and net worth for us. So I am Priyanka Ranka from holidays.com, and we are the hospitality partner for the SETA 5th edition, and all their future travel and tourism sector we are taking care of.
ये सेटा की पूरी युवा कमेटी है और सब मिलके इतना हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं, इतना डेडिकेशन के साथ अपने बिजनेस को समय देते हुए, उससे समय निकाल के एक्सपो के लिए इतना समय दे रहे हैं. उसको एक नई ऊंचाइयां, एक नया आयाम और एक नया माध्यम कर रहे हैं आगे आने वाले युवा पीढ़ी के लिए. मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा हमारे युवा अध्यक्ष, युवा सेक्रेटरी, युवा ट्रेजर और पूरी युवा टीम को कि सेटा को एक नई ऊंचाइयों तक लेके जा रहे हैं एक एक्सपो के माध्यम से, और जो भी एक अच्छा कनेक्ट, अच्छी बॉन्डिंग, एक बिजनेस के लिए एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म बना रही है. इसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
మేము అనుకుంటున్నాము మొత్తం మన మినిస్టర్స్, హోమ్ మినిస్టర్ దగ్గర మాట్లాడుతున్నాము, ప్లస్ మన పాలిక్యాప్ ఓనర్ ఉంది, ఆయనతో కూడా మాట్లాడతాం. ఓపెనింగ్ మన బిల్డ్ మై హోమ్ బిల్డ్ అందరూ పెద్ద వస్తారు, ఇనాగ్రేషన్ మీరు అందరూ కంపల్సరీ రావాలి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.